Imo Templarios presents a small farm with 4 houses, ideal for accommodation. This small farm has 8 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 4 living rooms, 3 kitchens, laundry and shop. It has in the common space barbecue and well, and a pleasant courtyard with fruit trees. Located about 5 minutes from Tomar in a very calm and easily accessible area. It's about 1 hour from the beaches and 1 hour 30 from Lisbon. A great investment. Make an appointment with Imo Templarios. Call now 00351 910 025 004. Come and visit, and you will see that you can be happy here.